All right. One of the reasons I love PHP, especially for those who are learning to code for the first time, is that EnableProfiler. I think that tool is so wonderful. I love it. And I love the fact that whenever you load a page, you can see how long the database query took, what database queries were run, and you can see the direct SQL query. You can also, see the session data, post data. It's so beautiful. I love how it tells you those somewhere you can click on the plus icon and have it expand. Anyway, I love it. Now note that Express doesn't have that, and you might be missing it, right? So this is a good opportunity for us to continue on that path of how do you create your own framework and, add these features as part of the framework. So the homework assignment now is for you to create an EnableProfiler, but you're going to create it from scratch, and you're going to create your own class that supports that. Again, it needs to store, all the session data, all the post data. It needs to display that on the view. And it's a good practice. And then also all the database queries. Now, there's a thing called middleware, and I put a link below the video that you can read. A middleware basically just means, just imagine in the HTTP request and response cycle, it just sits in the middle. So basically just imagine that before the HTTP request goes to your controller, you can have it go through the middleware. So middleware could be a really perfect place where this EnableProfiler sits in, because you can have access to both the request and put some information there before it gets passed to the controller. So anyway, study that and see if you can, create EnableProfiler. Now, you don't have to put EnableProfiler as a middleware to make it work. You can put it as your own class and just have the controller import EnableProfiler. But hey, look into the middleware. I think this is going to give you new learnings on what a middleware is, and get you a little bit involved in how these frameworks are created. So it's a great assignment. Enjoy. And again, the goal is for you to not only use these other modules, but also for you to learn how to create them. Again, all of these are just fundamental building blocks that other people wrote, and you can also create those. Okay? All right, good luck.